If you love strawberry pie as much as I do, then I think you're going to love this dessert. It's a no-bake strawberry pie. So I'll make the crust first by putting in the food processor about 8 ounces of ginger snaps, and I'll crush them. Then with the processor running, I'll add in a half a stick of melted butter to form the crust. Now I've emptied the crumbs into a 9-inch pie plate, and then I've covered the bottom, and then I'll spread the crumbs around. And I use a bottom of a rounded measuring cup to push the crust up the sides. And then what I'll do is I'll put it in the refrigerator to let it set up while I make the filling. Now I've hulled and cut up about 2 pounds of strawberries, and I'll put about half of them into my food processor. I'm going to whir them until they are nice and juicy. Now I'll empty the strawberries into a sauce pot, and I'll add in about 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, a half a cup of sugar, and a half a cup of water. I'll bring it to a boil and let it cook until the sauce becomes nice and glossy. Now I scattered some of the remaining strawberries in the bottom of the pan, and I put the sauce right on top of it. I'll spread that around, and then I'll scatter the rest of the strawberries on top, put it in the fridge until it solidifies. Before you know it, you got strawberry pie. So write to me for the recipe, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.